Hello Udemy, I am Shazad Ahmed from Shikzi.com and welcome in lecture number 14. Today we are going to discuss about the loop. What are loops? How can you use the loop? So first of all, loop is used to repeat a block of code. Why I am saying block of code? We have some loops like for loop or while loop, do while loop, three type of loop available in the JavaScript. If you are working on ASP.NET or C#, you have more than three loops, but in JavaScript you can use the for loop, while loop and do while loop. So why I am saying the loops can execute a block of code? So now let me show. I'm saying that I have to use the command. Okay, now I'm saying the alert is a function. Don't worry, we will discuss about the function in our later lectures, but for now I'm saying working. As you know, you can generate the output or you can show something to your user using alert console and also with HTML element. I'm using alert. Go to your page, refresh the page. Now as you can see, it's showing us first time or a single time working. Click on this, it's fine. For suppose if you want to execute this statement 5 times, for suppose I'm saying, then you have to use like this. So now you are executing alert 5 times. Go to your page, refresh the page. It's the first time, okay, second time, okay, third time, okay, fourth time, okay, and now this is the 5th time. Okay, so now as you can see, it's fine, but you are repeating the block of code. So you are repeating the same statement again and again. So first, what happens, you can repeat this statement 5 times. So how? Using for loop, you can execute this block of code 5 times, 3 times, 10th time. It's totally dependent upon you. Okay, now what is the syntax? I'm saying for loop. This is the keyword. So for braces, and now you have your initial state, then you have your condition, then you have your increment. You know about the increment, plus is the increment sign. You know about the conditions, less than, greater than, equals to. So these are the conditions, and you know about the initial, that means where your loop starts. For suppose I'm saying my loop starts from 0, so that's why I'm saying I have to create the variables. You can also create the variable here. For suppose the variable starts from 0. Okay, now I'm saying I. Okay, now I'm saying I less than equals to 5. Now this is the condition, and I'm saying I plus. Okay, now I'm saying alert, but before doing this you have to create a block of code. So you have to use these braces. Okay, now so this is your block of code. So that's why I told you that loops can execute a block of code. So why? Because this is a single statement. I am going to execute 5 times. Go to your page, refresh the page. Now you can see this is the first time, click, second time, click, third time, click, fourth time, clicks, 5 times, click. Okay, why? Because you are starting from the 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 6. If you are starting from 1 and you are saying that, oh, execute the 3 times, go to your page, refresh the page. So first attempt, okay, second attempt, okay, third attempt, okay. So now in this way your loop works, or in this way you can execute your a block of code or a single line of block of code. For suppose this is a single line of block of code. If you are using multiple line, if you have a thousands of a statement here, that means you are executing these thousands of statement 3rd time according to this condition. So it's totally depend upon your conditions where you use the for. For suppose if you are fetching the data from the array, so then you will use the for loop, and you can also use the for loop while working on the database. So we'll discuss about them, but for now, as you know, you have array variable var array. So this is the special type of variable array 1 2 for suppose 100, 200 and 300, and you know very well that array starts from 0. If you are accessing this value, for suppose I'm saying, I have to comment this, and now I'm saying alert, and now I'm saying x 0. That means I'm saying, oh, just alert or just output, show me the output, the index 1. That means it will automatically execute or show you the 100. Go to your page, refresh the page. So as you can see, it's saying 100. Okay, so now how can you fetch all the values? You can use the for loop. First of all, what is the length? I'm saying alert x dot length. That means I'm checking the array's length. Go to your page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, it's saying 3. The length of the array is 3 because you have a 3 values in the array. If you are adding the 4th value, for suppose, now go to your page, refresh the page. Now as you can see, it's saying 4. So length is the 4 because I'm going to use the length in the for loop. So that's why I have to. Okay, so now I'm saying for. Now your block of code here, which you want to execute multiple times according to your conditions. I'm saying I'm saying I equals to 0. Your statement start from the initial statement start from 0. I'm saying x less than I less than equals to x dot length. That means I'm checking the length. Now semicolon. Now I'm saying I plus plus, and now I have to add the alert, and now I'm saying x, and now I'm saying I. That means it will check the initial value 0 less than equals to length is now 4, 0 less than 4, it will automatically increment by 1. So now you have the 2 value in the I. So it's showing, it will execute your first value, then second, then third, and then fourth. So okay, refresh the page. Now as you can see, it's showing us 100. Okay, it's showing us 200. Okay, it's showing us 300. Okay, it's showing us 400. Okay, so now in this way you can fetch the value, all the values using the for loop, all the arrays values using the for loop. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other topics like while loop and do while loop. So thank you for watching.